I'm gonna do a blue look today. It was just what I felt when I got up was blue for some reason. I have a lot of gifts in this look. In particular, I have Jeffree Star products that I want to try. They were a gift. He's cruelty free, his products, but I know there was some drama that I don't know everything about, so I don't know if I recommend that brand yet. I'm also using a Revlon lipstick that they're not cruelty free. Really wish they were, because they make great lipsticks, but I'm gonna just use it today and I'll list it below as well. Alright, since this is kind of a questionable brand video, I'm gonna go ahead and use an Almay foundation. I really liked this foundation. It was one of the first that I found that actually had like something that matched my undertone. I have light skin. It looks fair on the videos, like even lighter than light, but it's actually not. And I have like olive cool undertones, which took me a while to figure out. I also have some pink in there. So this was the first foundation that I found that matched, and but they're not cruelty free. They're owned by Revlon, I believe. At the time of recording this is September 8th, 2022. Revlon has declared bankruptcy. They're trying to, they meaning the beauty community, they're not sure if that means they're going out of business or if they're just gonna like sell to another company. So I don't know. Concealer, I think I'm just gonna use my tried and true e.l.f. Camo in light sand. I was gifted the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. Very generous gift. But my friend didn't really use these colors, so I'm gonna try to do a halo eye with these grays and blues. I should use the Midnight palette, which I just got from Beauty Babe. Yeah. So I have another video on halo eye, but you basically put the darkest in both corners and then connect across the top. I'll explain the rest when I'm actually doing it. No, this is not the finished position these colors are going to be in. I'm using this shade called Power. I'd love to do a swatch video of this, but like I don't know if I recommend it. Like I said, I don't know enough about what happened. I know the products are good. Is that a like conflict of interest if I'm using the products that I don't necessarily recommend? I don't know. Alright, and this is just calling to me. This is called Ocean Ice. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. It is a shimmer. Not doing too well with the brush. I'm gonna use a finger. Oh my god, yeah, that's way more pigmented. Holy crap, do you see that? Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. You just gotta use a finger for this one, but wow, that color. Honestly, now I just want to do the entire lid that color. That's so pretty. I mean, it doesn't look great how it's laying on my eye right now, but the color is just insane. I look insane right now. I look like I have blue tears coming down. Alright, I wanted to do a wing with this one, and it's very high tech. You put a piece of paper up to your face and just paint over it. Try to connect it to your eye. I'm gonna clean this up still, I promise. But then when you take the paper off, there's a nice line there, except for this mess. Just ignore that. Problem is getting them the same height, the same angle. This actually goes up a little higher. Oh, that one's not gonna look the same. Oh, crap. It's the same angle. I'm just gonna have to really clean it up. This is a mess, you guys. And girls, holy crap, that's a mess and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and use my micellar water to just get rid of this mess, because this is, I can't even tell what I'm doing. Clearly, oh god, I have to touch up the foundation too. Clearly this is Fallout City. So either use a more precise tool than your finger, or just be careful. Do your eyes first. This wing is completely undone. It was, guys, it was like all over my nose, like the blue just fell everywhere. It's gorgeous, but my goodness. Alright. Well, that was stupid. Yikes. Should I just like start over? I'm gonna go ahead and put this lipstick on. Doesn't really go, but whatever. It's extremely comfortable and smells like a bakery. If Revlon gets bought out by a company, I hope they're a cruelty-free company that can like introduce that, because come on, like you don't need to be testing on animals these days. You just don't. Wow, I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Let's try to get this straighter. I may just erase the wing. I don't know. Concealer. If it still doesn't look right after concealer, then I will abandon ship. This sponge is clean. It just looks like that after a while. I'm very meticulous about cleaning the tools that I use. I'm going to use a brush for the wing area. This is just a fail. That's way too much concealer over here. Alright, that wing is not bad. That one is. And it needs help up here. Not what I wanted at all. Now it's not pointy. Like, come on. All right. No, instead of that, I'm gonna do just a skin colored blend real quick. This was another gift, also Jeffree Star, but it's so pretty, guys. Like, look at that. It's a highlighter. I'm gonna use it for the center of the halo eye, which is kind of not like a halo eye anymore, but I'm gonna do it. All right, I think this is another finger application one. Yes. Oh, it's so pretty. it's just like, oh. I've heard this called Spotlight Eye as well. You put the darkest color on the outside, then the lid color, and then something in the middle to make it look like the sun or the moon reflecting off water, where it like diffuses. I'm gonna do a little in the inner corner just because I like the way that looks. There was a little bit of fallout with that. I think when you use your fingers, there's a little more fallout. Actually, I never even powdered my face. Use my regular CoverGirl pressed powder. This is not my best work, y'all. At all. Sorry. This thing smells like strawberries. It's so cute. That's good. I look horrible. So, all right, let's try this as highlighter. I think it's gonna be very intense. I'm actually gonna buff it out a little. Oh, yeah, stick it in my ear. Want it to look like the other side. Okay, that's nice. Kinda. I'm gonna do some contour. It's just a little Amazon thing. It's a little light for me, but it still gives that shadow effect. Oh my god, that I'm so Does that look any different? Not really. That looks a little smaller. I need earrings. I wish I had a blue glitter liner. Maybe I do. Oop, I shouldn't move my eyebrows when I'm doing this. This is just a little touch up here. I'm not really an eyebrow person, but I bought this elf thing for somebody else and then I liked it, so here we are. I look really washed out in the camera. My god, this has been recording for a while. It's like 20 minutes and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm putting on a blue liquid liner. It's kind of dried out. I kind of need a new one. Huh. I used this a lot and I've had it for a while, so like months. Okay. I don't like this highlight. I didn't place it well here. Oh well. I'm gonna just pause it and fix it. It's already been 10 minutes and like nothing has happened. I don't plan these like bloopers. There's a reason why I decided to do so many bloopers because like, look at this. This is insane. So it kind of depends on like what part I'm working with, and that didn't sound right. Actually I was gonna do the eyes first. So I was gifted the blue butt, the blue blood. So sorry. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. I put it. Sorry. I just dropped the whole Jeffree Star palette. Oh, please don't have broken. It didn't break. Okay. I need a bigger bathroom. It's gonna be a fail. There's a phone call coming through that I wanted this to be blue-gray and then this to be blue-gray. Why don't I always just fling the... Alright, well, that was a fail.